Hey guys, Ross Edgley here, and this is my workshop Wednesday, where I want to talk about the simplest and most underused form of shoulder rehab and prehab. Let's look at your shoulders straight off. When you get back in the gym, you just want a Viking press, you want a log press, military press, you just want to throw some massive dumbbells around. I know you do, I know I do. The temptation is very real. However, I want you to fight that urge. Start looking at things like brachiating. So brachiating is just a passive hang, where you hang from the bar. The reason we do this is because there's a theory that we share our shoulder joint along with the great apes. And Mother Nature likes it when we are hanging, we are using the shoulder joint like Mother Nature intended. But what happens is, as modern humans, despite sharing that shoulder joint along with the great apes, we're sat there at a desk all day and we're working away and we're benching and we're kind of like swimming and we're not using the shoulder joint like Mother Nature intended. So this idea of brachiating or passively hanging basically pulls the shoulder joint, pulls the muscles in the shoulder girdle, that rotator cuff, like nature intended. Should look like this. Now, I don't want to get too prescriptive because ultimately the very act of hanging, this passive hang, what I mean by a passive hang is where you can notice my shoulders are up near my ears here. That is an active hang where you're engaging the scapula. That is a passive hang there. And I think, if I had to give a prescription, I would look at doing 5 30-second hangs per day, especially before a lot of your back, your pulling workouts. But ultimately, don't get too prescriptive. Just learn the importance of hanging, brachiating, passively hanging. And like I said, get the shoulder joint working like Mother Nature intended.